Hey guys, today we're going to be making another slime video. We're going to be making a color change slime, yellow to red. Let's see. It color changes in the sun. Ugh. Oh gosh, I can't open this. Okay, we'll just use this for now. It's hard. Yeah, my mom's gonna help me open it. Okay, here we go. Now we dump. Maybe I'm not gonna dump the whole thing. Ew. Ew. That looks like poo. That is not pretty. That is not pretty to the eyes. I'm just gonna add the whole thing. Let's go. The gonkers. Okay, that's all I can get out. It's a lot. Gosh. Gosh. Yeah, it's a lot. I know what you're thinking. That's like a lot, but we're gonna have to make it work. So I added a little bit of magical liquid. It's that little blob over there. And I'm mixing. So yeah, I'm just mixing. Need more activator. Yeah, definitely more activator. Oh, the container wants to join. That's for when we're done with the slime. Put it in there. Right, it's starting to like clump more and starting to form. Ugh, that's gross. That's really gross. Okay. Mixy, 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 mixy. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Did you guys see that? Ew, that just splashed over. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. A little more. I don't want it to be a hard slime. I want it to be a perfect slime. And I don't want it to make a mess either. Ugh. I think hands are ready to go. And gosh, my hair is better not bother me. Okay, let's go in. Ew. Ew. Ugh. That feels like, it's like soft, but it looks and kind of feels like boogers. Definitely looks like boogers. But you guys can't feel it, but I know it looks like boogers or like poo or something to you. But like on camera, it doesn't look as poopy as in person. It's look kind of like brown in person. But on camera, I don't know why, but it doesn't show the clear thing. So, yeah. Just tossing it. And I'm gonna add, I don't want to make the activator bottle dirty. I don't want to make the actor a little dirty. Maybe I just like, I don't know what to do. Okay, what do I do? Okay guys, I'm gonna ask my mom to help me to put in my activator, some more activator. So she's gonna come right now and help me put in activator, because it's not gonna activate by itself. No, it's not. That. Oh, that's it. Okay. Wait, more, actually. A little more. There we go. That's it. Okay. We got activator in the bowl. From great help from my mom. Because I'm not touching the activator with these hands. Alright, so now it's like clumpy and looking. It has like sections. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna like mix this. So this is kind of boring, but I'm gonna tell you about what's happening right now. So basically we are in quarantine. We are staying home. And we don't want to go outside. Don't go to public people's houses. Don't even like go to your like grandma, because you might get sick. And you might get your grandma sick. So basically, don't go anywhere. Stay safe, or else this coronavirus is going to keep on spreading. It's never going to end in this world. So yeah, just stay safe. But what we did is when the coronavirus. So what we did was we left New York, because we live in New York. We left New York and we went to the biggest Pennsylvania, 5-hour drive. We went there for a COVID-19 escape. So yeah, we went. This is not my house. This is like Pennsylvania, where I am. We are going to be staying here for a month and a half. We already been here for like 2 weeks or so. So we're going to stay here until May 11th. Right now it's June 11th, not May 11th. But like we came here, right now it's like April 20th, I believe. April 20th? Okay. That's all I'm going to say. But right now, let's talk about this slime. So, it has, as you can see, it has formed. It has formed. It's very nice. It's very nice feeling. It looks like a bugger. But we're going to see how it color changes in the sun. So I'm just going to clean off my hands with the slime. Just go do. Get, ugh. That's kind of sticky. Okay, just get it off of me. And I'm going to go bring this outside, and I'm going to bring you too. So first, let me just open the door. Alright. Bring you and the slime. It's a little cold outside, but let's see how it changes colors in the sunlight. I don't know if It's changing. It's turning kind of orange. Oh my gosh, guys. Wait, oh my gosh, it's dripping. It's dripping. It's dripping. But it's changing. 1 second. Gotta get it in a ball. But look at that. Wait, can you guys see anything? I'm blocking the camera. I'm hard while recording. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, where is the camera in this phone? Oh gosh, guys. Okay, I found it. Solution. Hold it in the other hand. Okay. Now you can see. I hold it up to the sunlight. It's not. Look at that. My hand. Oh gosh. I don't know if you can see, but it's like red now. Do you see that? What if we go back inside? Now it's like a booger again. Well, almost like a booger again. You see, now it's just a booger again. That's so cool. It changes instantly. That's cool. It's very ASMR-y. So, I think I'm gonna end this slime vlog with a good greeting of my friend, my little doggo. My little doggo. You guys probably know her from videos. My little doggo, Sophie. So we're gonna go. It's kind of dark here because it's my stairs, but see, it's gonna get lighter. So we got Sophie. Got Sophie. Let's get her on camera. Sophie.
Oh, sweet. Let's go.
Do you want to end? Do you want to end our slime vlog? You want to end it? You want to end it with your little cute face? Say bye. Bye.
It wasn't that good.
Alright. We're ending it here. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and definitely share. Thank you guys. Bye.